Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Hey, so we're gonna film in another area. This is I don't know what this building is. It's some kind of sports center. And then you can see a Portuguese guy, I believe, some European guy, and a statue right there, and some Chinese lanterns. And there's a lot to just randomly see in Macau, so I'm not gonna go down it. Instead, we're gonna and go down this way a little bit. So okay. We're just gonna wait for this red light. Massive trees. That tree is massive, right? So, okay. Try to sneak through. I just want to move a little bit. We're going to try to get to another area here. We stepped in some water. So it's actually, what's today, Wednesday? Probably the one thing you notice is there's a lot of people with kids, so kids just got out of school. This is Tam Tam's Coffee. It's a Korean place, Korean chain. And we're gonna keep walking across if we can. Got a pretty cool yellow and red green building right there. I've always found this really photogenic. So we're gonna try to go straight across, and I'm going to trying to find this one particular street that I was gonna film. So but I'll just show you the stuff along the way. But yeah, this particular building, I've always really liked this one, and it needs a new paint job, doesn't it? So okay. Also, maybe I should try to capture more interesting images too, right? So yeah, Macau, it's used to be Portuguese for a few centuries. So there's a lot of influences, so you can see it in the architecture. There we go. So I'm gonna sneak by. And we're basically gonna walk straight up. And this street actually has some pretty cool stuff right here, the green and yellow. And then when you see it from the other side, it's more tourist oriented. The front side looks a little bit, it's kind of a neglected feel. Yeah. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we got all this right here. We got all this too. Get all that and all that. So we're just gonna walk up the street, and this has a lot of pretty cool architecture right here. San Jose Diocese, somebody's parked right there. That's a really nice street right there. Yeah. Sidewalk is pretty beautiful as well. It's another very photogenic street. Definitely see people photograph all kinds of stuff over there. And straight ahead they'll do a lot of art stuff, so that goes off this street sometimes, and right there, it's a pretty good image right there. It's pretty cool. And then right there too, right? Yeah, beautiful images. So I'm just gonna park right there, I guess. Okay. What we're gonna do is just keep walking straight up. Holy House of Mercy. Okay. They do quite a few things here, so they'll do like Halloween stuff, all kinds of art stuff. Yeah. And you can order, this is also a restaurant too, Portuguese restaurant. And usually always have art stuff here. And this tree is very photogenic, as you can see. I think I photographed it many times myself, and I see it lots of photos. I think this was also in Sai's new face video. They came here. They also came down to where we just walked by. They went down one of those streets and filmed their video. So, okay. So yep, this is I don't know the name of it, but well, this is called Albergue. So there it is. It's a cool looking guy. Let's see. Hello. Hello. So okay, we're gonna take these steps up, and then this to the right is Fantasia. So they also have other art stuff up here too that I'll see sometimes. This is below us. So yeah, Macau Comic Festival. It's June 15, 1925. Actually, it's pretty amazing, 1925, because that's really not that long ago once you start getting older yourself. 1925, 94 years ago. So 94 years ago. Because like when you're in Europe or somewhere like that, 94 years is nothing, right? But here it's like a really old building. But in Europe things would be there for like 1,000 years or whatever. 1,500 years. So okay. It's kind of cool, first instance. So I guess we go, oops. Narrow streets, but it's alright. Actually, if you've watched my videos, you see this will probably be in it too. But I filmed down in this area initially, so there was a blue building in the original film. Also, it's for rent. So I filmed it in front of that blue building right there. All right. That's the blue building right there that I filmed everything in front of. And I'm going to stop the video right there.